Right, the journey begins back home. Woo. Oh, got a long way to go. Wake up. Fucking like zombies with fucking phones. Cops. Yeah, if there was another World Trade Centre fucking airplane flying in there, all them stood around, wouldn't have witnessed it, filmed it, they'd have all been fucking looking at their phones all fucking time. Looking at messages. Like fucking zombies here. Ah, Fulton Transfer. Alright, let's get one last look. Is it coming in? There it is, one more train. Bye bye, buddy. Right, I want the A train. Woo! Found my way again. Down here. Woo! Oh, fucking hell. This suitcase is heavy as shit. Fulton Street station, this. I'm holding a phone here, filming myself. I'm still not like a fucking zombie. Right. Let's go. Right. Go, one uptown, I want downtown. Downtown, right. Woo! Oh. I'm gonna have to buy another drink.
It destroys lives and death. It's never worth it. I decided to stay alive.
Ah, what shall I get? Fanta orange. Orange something. Fanta pineapple. That'll do. Oh yeah. Oh. That's it.
Good. Thank you, bro.
Excellent. Thank you. Bye. Woo! Downtown Brooklyn. Oh, fucking escalator down. Oh, an elevator. This weighs a fucking ton. Well, down this way. Whew. Motherfucker. This is the train now. Oh, shit. Sorry. Right, I'm off one train now. I'm at Howard Beach. Now. And here I can get the you noisy bastard helicopter. Look at that. That's weird. Anyway, Old Airwolf's past now. I'm going to get on the air train now to JFK. Phew, so far so good in this part of the journey. It's just boiling bloody hot. Next. On the air train now to the JFK Airport, Terminal 4.
Please stand clear. The doors are closing. Please hold on.
Here we go. Right. I'm at JFK now, Terminal 4. Next part of the journey. I'll get a bag out of my suitcase. It's got family stuff in it. And then I'll be able to check in. It shouldn't be too far off. The flight's at 7:30, but I think boarding starts at 7:15. So, not too bad. Right. Onwards and upwards. Well, at JFK, I'm just waiting to board in about 10 minutes. About 7:15, and then it takes off at 7:30. So that's the latest. I may travel back on.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have a Nathan Boardman on board. That's Nathan Boardman. Please make yourself known to a member of the crew. Once again, paging Jordan Ray, Jonathan Martin, Kevin Hume. If you're on board, please make yourself known to a member of the crew. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm ready to speak out. I'm going to move here.
Hey?
I'm going to move here if that's alright.
I paid for it.
You pay for it?
Yeah.
Oh.
No, I'll take it.
You got me there.
I'm not this fat. I'm not that fat.
Maybe you want to drive.
Good evening, my name is Sarah. I'm the cabin service supervisor.
Back in the UK now. Just got to find the transport to get to the car. Well, I've got my car. Case is in the boot, and I'm heading home now. It's 9:30 in the morning. I'm back home. Woo. Hope you enjoyed the trip.